going on, guys? My name is Brooks. I'm a grad student here at Florida State University, and today I want to talk about the benefits of eating breakfast. First off, breakfast gives you a head start on meeting your daily calorie and energy needs. This is energy that you need to run faster, to jump higher, and to lift heavier, and be the best athlete possible. Another benefit of eating breakfast is that it replenishes the nutrients that your body lost during its overnight fast. That's why it's called breakfast, because you're breaking your fast. Another benefit that personally I love about breakfast is that it maintains your focus inside and outside of the classroom. If there's ever days where I miss breakfast, I find it really hard to focus in class and I'm super hungry for the rest of the day. Check out the E2Win app for breakfast ideas and everything else sports nutrition.